so shook. These work so well. Like, I sit on my face. You can kind of see it. I don't want to touch it with my fingers, but now it's like completely flat. Like yesterday it was like raised and disgusting, and today it's like it wasn't even there.
I am a picker. So I found these on Amazon and I decided to give them a try. Just like stick it on wherever it needs to go, and it says that like it'll be white and you just peel it off. So this one was way bigger last night, and now it kind of just looks like a red dot. All right, this one was super big, and now it's gone down. It was like a mountain before, so I would say they work. I kind of thought it was gonna lift stuff up with it, but it definitely made them probably shouldn't touch it a lot smaller. So I started using these patches, these Mighty Patches by Hero with the period. This is not affiliated or anything. I just want to go on here and help out anybody who might struggle with these little mainly hormonal acne when it gets to that time of the month. So I believe they have different ones that actually are like wide. So like for me, I had a couple like over here, and sometimes I have a couple here. So I had these two, and I really needed like a bigger patch, so I blemish patch. But I put them on during the day. I work from home, so that's what I do. But they want you to wear them for 6 to 8 hours, and what I really like is that this little redness, because the patches are like flesh colored almost, they really like blend in with your skin. So here's what they look like. As you see, I've already used them, but yeah, they really like blend in with your skin. And so yeah, you should definitely give it a try if you haven't. I do recommend them, at least at nighttime, which I guess I should be wearing them at night, but I've just been wearing them throughout the day because I work from home. So, but they're a flesh color, so you don't really see them a lot. They do turn white when they're done, so maybe that means it's working. But you know, as far as wearing them out during the day, if you're worried about that stuff. But anyway, so there is my tip, and I hope you guys like it.